But personally for me, it's been really nice to see all the clubs in person. I feel like we were virtual so long, so it's really amazing to see everyone see each other for the first time even, and just interact face to face, because I feel like it's a different vibe, and it's really nice to be back on campus. ICC stands for the Interclub Council, and so we're a student organization on campus, and we oversee all the student clubs on campus by providing them guidance with, if they have any questions about having a meeting, event planning. We have like Trivia Thursdays, Club Mixer. All those may sound familiar, so we plan those events. This event took a lot of planning, and actually our director of club support and director of activities, they both worked really hard along with Ingrid, who's our director of publicity, to put up this event by promoting it and gathering the clubs and just things like that.
Right now, the Club Rush, it doesn't feel like I'm just representing those clubs. I'm just kind of going everywhere saying like, hey, to all the students, like, welcome back. It's nice to meet you. A lot of people are like, hey, are there any STEM related clubs? I point them to robotics. I point them to physics club. If they're like, if you need help with writing, the writer's den. It's just been really nice seeing everyone, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work. But I enjoy it very much. Never met a lot of people with the same interests as me growing up, and if they did, they kind of just didn't want to talk to me. But now I get people and they're so kind. But balancing it is pretty tough. It's not for the faint of heart. I used to do this in high school. I was like in even more things than I was now. But I have a lot of people who, help me and kind of are up to my speed as well.
So we do a lot of like Dungeons and Dragons, tabletop role-playing games. We're super into board games, card games, and just generally like fun, nerdy things. We kind of had to go dormant for a while because playing online just really isn't the same. We did unfortunately lose a lot of people because people, graduate, they transfer. Some people dropped out when everything was online and haven't come back yet. But we're really bouncing back. We're looking into setting up, weekly or bi-weekly in-person D&D sessions, and still maintaining online sessions as well. But we're still here, and we are so happy to be back.
What we're doing here is the Music Appreciation Club. Our goal is to kind of make a community for music fans on campus where they can meet each other, just interact over something they have in common, music, kind of share their passion, turn each other on to new music. And for more organized things, we were thinking maybe some listening parties, maybe some concert trips, trivia nights, whatever. We actually formed this term. We started discussing this club in the winter term. Our inspiration was when we came here in the first term. It kind of just felt like we weren't really meeting anybody. We didn't really know anybody. It felt like there was no community at a community college, ironically enough. So what we wanted to do was we wanted to just make a place where we can meet people like us. So happy to be back in person. I mean, it's been almost 2 years now, in March 2020. It's been really nice having in-person classes. I just actually transferred into another in-person one because it's just so nice to be in person.